Let's kick it off with this rare 1960s highboard and dining table set, crafted in teak veneer with extendable tabletop, sliding doors, and drawers. It comes with 5 stools newly upholstered in blue and doubles as a desk. As for the radio, it's an RT20 made by Dieter Rams in 1961. It was restored to perfection and features an ash veneered body and a white lacquered front. Tested, cleaned, and refreshed for full functionality. Ever wanted a sofa that does more than just sit there? Meet the DS-142. This bad boy isn't just a sofa, it's a black leathered masterpiece. The sofa can be converted into an elegant double recliner thanks to the practical swivel seat feature. Functionality and elegance-wise, it got it all. This is a dining table that bends the rules, quite literally. Evan Andrew has single-handedly built an engineering masterpiece. This side table doesn't just elevate, it swivels smoothly to the side, letting you enjoy your meals on the sofa in total comfort. But the real magic is inside, an ingeniously sophisticated mechanism that is a true testament to its maker's craftsmanship. He also made this amazing iris box. It opens up smoothly thanks to his ingenious mechanism. A giant Rubik's Cube, but make it furniture. This oversized interactive piece isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's packed with hidden features. Hidden storage compartments, a rollout ottoman on wheels, and even built-in USB charging ports. To top it off, ice lighting adds a futuristic touch. And yes, the entire cube is on wheels, so you can move it around effortlessly. Fun for kids, nostalgic for adults, all thanks to its pure genius in design. T&Y brings both style and function with this minimalist cloud-patterned marble panels. Not only does it discreetly conceal the electrical box, but it also integrates a tall bookshelf, adding extra storage to your space. They also offer a hidden sliding door that blends into any room's design. It closes automatically and can support up to 80 kilograms for smooth operation. Perfect for bedrooms, walk-in closets, and it can even be locked for added security. Spazio Bed by Cineas is a great space-saving solution designed to maximize your home's space. It's a raised bed that doubles as a wardrobe, bookshelf, dresser, and storage compartment, offering endless possibilities for organizing your space. It is perfect for children's rooms as it combines a raised single bed with storage and functional furniture elements that a child might need, creating more room to live in. It can be placed against a wall, in a corner, or recessed, making it fitting for any space. CHEZ SOI Design presents the space-saving foldable drop leaf table. This innovative table can be pulled out and retracted against the wall when not in use, saving valuable space. It features convenient storage compartments beneath and is crafted from first-grade materials to ensure durability and longevity. This inside clothes drying rack is a practical solution to save space in houses where there is no designated drying area. At first glance, this may seem like a simple chair, but it's actually much more than that. It can double as a small table, features several storage compartments, and can easily expand to provide even more space as a table. It could even serve as a desk. It's essentially the perfect invention for college students who are short on both space and funds. The Spun chair by Heatherwick is a piece of art. According to him, it's a geometric simplification of familiar objects and a rotationally symmetrical chair that challenges conventional design. When tilted, it transforms into a functional, comfortable seat that allows you to rock side to side or spin 360 degrees. The Monika Sleeper Sofa by Luonto is a versatile and modern piece that seamlessly transitions between a sofa and a bed, featuring sloped arms for added protection and style. It also comes with a waterproof mattress protector, which guards against stains, spills, and allergens, ensuring a healthier sleep environment. Flat offers this amazing 3-in-1 room furniture piece that has everything you need for a bedroom. It includes a space-saving wall bed, a wall desk for your work, plenty of shelves to store your belongings, and a wardrobe for your clothes, along with many additional storage compartments. The design is modern and clean, with top-notch quality craftsmanship, making it a perfect solution for maximizing space while maintaining an adroit, clean aesthetic. This infinity table features an amazing optical illusion that will surely baffle your guests. The Multifunction Box by Smart Space is a revolutionary space-saving solution designed for compact living. Measuring just 2 feet by 2 feet, this versatile piece features 4 drawers, a foldable table, and a concealed chair, providing a lot of storage for books, laptops, and more. Monello is a multi-use furniture piece, a table that is both adjustable in height and size, thanks to its ingenious and simple mechanism. It features a stunning black marble-colored top with golden tones on the sides, complemented by a minimalist design that will surely make it a fancy addition to any modern residence. Yang Jerry showcases a variety of modern wall bed designs, including the classic vertical Murphy bed and a horizontal single bed that doubles as a desk. He offers many more innovative designs, each with unique features tailored to meet your domicile-specific needs. The following are some interesting room and bed designs that we thought you might find intriguing.